Hello students, to give the examination you have to click on the browser, any browser will do. You have to type teams.microsoft.com, type in your user ID. So for the demo examination I have created one user ID. Type your password. Use the web app possibly. You will see different subject names for which you are appearing for the examination. You have to select the appropriate subject. So for me, PI mock test is the current subject that I want to appear for. I'm clicking on this, opening it. You will get two different notifications here. The first notification will be the meeting that you have to open, and then the second part is you have to open the assignment or your quiz. So you have to first of all open the meeting. You have to log into the meeting first of all. You have to say join. Make sure that your camera is on every time. You have to keep your camera on, you have to keep your mic on. That is compulsory for your examination. Okay. You should see this screen over here. Then you have to click on Teams, and now you have to start your examination. So I'm just clicking on View Examination, and then you will get the name of your examination here. Click on this three dots, open in Teams, and your exam is started now. You will be getting your exams in page wise. So page number, how many, if your exam is of 70 marks, you will get 7 pages. And if your exam is of 60 marks, you will get 6 pages. You have to solve all the questions. I'm just solving those at random. Second one. Next. Now these type of questions you may get if your question contains some mathematical formula. So these are the 4 options you have. Out of these 4 options, suppose the answer for this is A, then you have to click this A over here to give the answer for this particular question. Now the last question, which asks you whether you are really want to submit. This is a mandatory question. If you do not click on this particular question, you do not attempt this particular question, you won't be able to submit your examination. So I'm clicking on this yes, and then I'm submitting the answer. You will get this particular response, and that is all for your examination. You can sign out after you complete the examination. Make sure that you open your camera, open your mic. Do not try to copy. You will be proctored by our invigilators. So in case you are found to copy the material, copy the answers, then you will be blocked by giving the examination.